welcome back and Happy New Year. I'm Laura McMann, the Executive Chef here at Bethlehem Area School District. This year we kick off 2022 with our Healthy Mediterranean Grain Bowl. Here for you we have our quinoa, which is whole grain, our brown lentils that are high in protein, and our brown rice. We simply just steam these off, and we're going to mix those together with a combination of fresh lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, and a little bit of salt just to brighten up those grains and bring them all together. We have a low sodium all beef meatball. We have a little bit of paprika, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of garlic, and finally some cumin. These get tossed up, real simple like that. And then you bake these in a 350-degree oven. Your final product, we have some baked meatballs. Next layer of the dish, we have a little bit of banana peppers, some green bell pepper, some chopped tomato, some red onion, some chopped olives. So you'll see there's a little salt, little vinegar, a little Italian seasoning, black pepper, a little garlic, everything mixed together in the bowl. That will be our garnish on top of our grains and our meatballs. Also a little bit of a crumbled feta cheese and a tzatziki sauce, which traditionally is made with Greek yogurt, some cucumber, some lemon, some garlic, and our whole grain flatbread will round off the dish. So let's plate this up for you. We start off, nice portion of our lentils, our quinoa, and our brown rice. Okay, and then we'll add our meatballs. That healthy, our relish on top. And feta. And finally, a nice dollop of our tzatziki sauce, served with a nice garnish of whole grain flatbread. And there you have it, our Mediterranean grain bowl. Without the meatballs, this is a vegetarian dish. Also gluten-free without the meatballs or the flatbread upon request. So enjoy.